Make sure to watch the end of this video for a big announcement. Welcome back to Vince's at Home. This Friday, I'm feeling on top of the world.
Top dog, top of the world?
Top dog, top of the world.
Maple Leaf Top Dogs. They are a natural hot dog. Clean label.
Clean label.
So they're free from fillers.
Okay.
Means that they don't have any unnatural preservatives. Gluten-free.
Everything you want in a hot dog.
Sound great to me.
How do you like your hot dog? Whether it's classic or a little different, you can always enjoy it, knowing that we make Maple Leaf natural top dogs filler-free and with natural ingredients.
Okay, we're doing an ingredient readout. Chicken. Ooh, it's a mix. Chicken, pork, water, sea salt, vinegar, spice, cultured celery extract, cherry powder, cane sugar, and smoke. That is it.
Very clean ingredient list.
Very clean. Also, do you know that Maple Leaf is now carbon-free? Great job, Maple Leaf.
Yes, proud of you.
Mallory, what's your favorite food?
Hot dogs.
Is it actually though?
Yes.
Like if your parents were here and we said, what is Mallory's favorite food? What would they say?
Hot dogs.
Hot dogs.
My sister's trying to convince me to do hot dogs for my late night wedding snack. So Maple Leaf, if you want to sponsor. My parents would say, you are literally going to turn into a hot dog.
Ah.
So now when I make my hot dogs, I call them gourmet dogs.
I just like simple hot dogs with ketchup and mustard. I'm realizing that I'm very simple.
Yes.
As we do these videos.
Your palate hasn't expanded.
Well, maybe it has. I just have like a preference for like if I like something, I don't want to try something else.
Change it, right.
But today we're going to try some new stuff.
You're going to try it.
One of the other things we're going to do today is we're going to make dirty water, which is a New York style prep on our boiling water.
And if you haven't had a New York street dog,
You haven't lived.
no.
No.
So we're going to live today.
We're going to live today. We're going to do our hot dogs in dirty water. We're going to try some gourmet toppings.
Love it.
And I might just have one with ketchup and mustard.
As long as it looks as beautiful as that, then we're all good.
Cool. So dirty water is nothing overly complicated. We've just seasoned our water. So in our pot with our water, we've added some onion, some garlic, just whole form. We've added some peppercorns. Today we've kept it really simple. We've added a little bit of salt, but not lots, because the hot dogs are typically salty, so we don't need to add too much water. Salt to the water. You know what I mean?
We're going to saute our gourmet toppings.
Cool. You know what I love about hot dogs?
What?
That it's like a communal thing.
I agree.
Like when you have hot dogs, you don't just want to sit by yourself and eat a hot dog.
No, it brings the family
It brings
together.
people together.
I agree.
We should call some people. Don't worry, he won't put you in the camera. What about you? Would you like one of Mallory's sauteed jalapeno mushroom onion or a standard? These are top dog, natural, filler-free, gluten-free.
Thank you so much. Nicolina, you want ketchup? Oh, yeah.
Now, would you like one? See how she just took that away from me?
Sorry.
She was like,
Yeah, let's just leave it to
I do my own hot dogs. Derek, don't be a wiener. Be a top dog. Well, today was fun.
I loved it.
I love that everybody shared with us in enjoying these hot dogs.
Me too. Should we tell them that they're in the video?
Nice.
Okay.
We'll tell them after.
Tomorrow. Thank you, Maple Leaf, for making delicious hot dogs. I cannot wait to cook these all summer. And do you know what day it is next week?
No.
It's National Hot Dog Day.
Well, if you're going to get hot dogs, pick a Maple Leaf natural top dog.
Thank you for watching our Vince's at Home videos. We're doing a big giveaway. We're giving away a $100 Visa gift card. All you have to do is like, subscribe, and comment below your favorite part of this video to be entered in the giveaway. We'll be announcing the lucky winner on July 28th, so make sure you tune into our video.